Chapter 8 Maps and Location. We will learn maps, directions. Maps. A map is a drawing of a neighborhood, a city, a country or a world. Maps are very useful to us. It helps us to find the location of a place if the address is known. It helps us to reach our destination. Important landmarks. Landmarks are important points or places of reference that can be easily recognized and help us to locate a place. These places could be houses, markets, hospitals, schools, etc. When we are telling someone the way to a particular place, we should be accurate or else they could get lost. Fact file. A book of maps is called an atlas. Drawing a map. There are certain things that are needed to be kept in mind before drawing maps. We need to know the directions and the landmarks that can be drawn with the help of symbols. A legend needs to be made to show what each symbol stands for. A scale should be made to find out the distance between two places. Surfaced, Pakka road. Unsurfaced, Kacha road. River, lake, pond. Railway line. Fort. Dam. Bridge. Meter gauge. Broad gauge. State boundary. District boundary. Town. Marsh. Hills. Symbols. Maps use many signs and symbols to give different types of information. It uses symbols like lines in different colors to show features such as rivers, roads, cities and mountains. Different symbols are drawn in different colors. For example, blue is always used to show water, green for plains, brown for mountains and white for snow. Legend. A legend is a small box in the map which shows us a list of symbols that are used in the map and what each symbol represents. Scale. We know that the earth is huge in size, so it is not possible to show its actual size on a map. Maps are very small in size. Therefore, scale is used to show distances on map. It helps us to know distances so that we know how far away one thing is from another. To do this, we need to be able to read the scale on a map. Directions. There are 4 directions, namely east, west, north and south. Look at the picture given here. The boy is facing the rising sun, which is in the east. The house behind him is in the opposite direction, the west. The pond to his left is in the north direction. The tree to his right is in the south direction. These 4 directions help us to find our way. There are many directions that lie in between these 4 main directions. These directions are called subdirections, namely northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. The top of a map generally shows north direction. Keyword: accurate, exact. Landmarks: important places or points that can be easily recognized. Atlas: a book of maps. Points to recall: maps are drawings of a large area on paper. Landmarks are important points or places of reference that help us to locate a place. Special markings called symbols are used to provide information. There are 4 main directions and 4 subdirections.